Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a natural homemade shampoo. If you're suffering from hair loss or scanty hair because of the use of your store-bought shampoos, then this is the video you would want to watch. To make the coconut milk shampoo, I'm using coconut. The choice of the coconut is such that it has dark brown outer shell. It will ensure the inner portion, that is the white part, is thick enough so that you can extract good quantity and quality of coconut milk. Coconut milk is very good for your hair. It penetrates air and nourishes and conditions the hair follicles. It may reduce dandruff. It will strengthen the hair roots, thereby reducing hair fall. I'm taking a bowl or a cup of this coconut scrapings. I'm keeping the brown part of it because it has the oil content in it which is required for this shampoo. I'm going to grind it into a fine paste so that I can extract the coconut milk. In order to do this, I am using a mixer jar. I'm going to grind it with a little bit of water into a smooth paste so that I can squeeze out, or you can also strain the coconut milk. I have a detailed video of how to extract coconut cream. You can see the link in the description box. You can store this coconut milk in the refrigerator. You can freeze it and use whenever you want it. You can keep this for maximum 1 month without any problem. So here I'm going to strain this, and I've got 1 cup of the coconut milk which has vitamins and nutrients. It is high in protein which can build your hair follicles because your hair is made up of 95% of keratin, which is the building block of your hair. So the milk is ready. I am going to make the coconut milk shampoo. The main ingredient of this shampoo is this coconut milk. You can add other nourishing ingredients like aloe vera gel. If you have fresh plant, you can scoop out the gel and use it. Aloe vera also provides moisturizing and conditioning properties for your hair. The next ingredient is this organic Rita powder, which is a natural cleanser. It has saponins which will act as a foaming agent. It will also clear dandruff if you have, and any infections of the scalp will be reduced by using this Rita powder. The method is to just mix all the ingredients. For my shoulder length hair, I have taken half a cup of this coconut milk and 1 scoop of the aloe vera gel. Along with it, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the Rita powder, and I'm going to give a good mix. Mixing this thoroughly will help you to get a good creamy texture, which is helpful for you to lather out. So keep this aside for 10 minutes, and this will thicken and it will become a paste-like consistency so that you can use it on your hair and use it as a shampoo. To use it, you just have to wet your hair and take a scoop or a handful of this shampoo and work up the lather on your wet hair as you usually do with your other shampoos. Using coconut milk is one way of providing nourishment and conditioning to your hair. There are different ways with which you can use the coconut milk on your hair and get the desired results. Your hair will start loving the treatment which you give to it. So if you want to know more such DIYs on using this coconut milk, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.